man. Back so. Say hello.
Say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello, man. You wanna fight, huh?
You're so nakakatawa, boy. Hello.
What can you say?
Oh, Ibon.
That boy is so nakakatuwa and funny.
Not English, please. Pure English only.
I don't like kasi
What? Pardon me, please.
I don't want English only. I want Taglish.
No Taglish. English only.
I said I want Taglish Tagalog. Tsaka ng English. Hoy, ikaw lalaki ka. Style mo pula.
Say mo rin, black.
Ay, dito na po nagtatapos ang awayan.